Think you're safe? Think again. Let your guard down for just a split second, and you could be staring down deadly venom right at your front door, or facing raw power that can crush solid steel. The wild doesn't knock, it barges right in. Get ready for the most heart-pounding encounters, coming right up. Just because of one thoughtless action, this woman almost caused a tragedy. When a hat fell right next to the elephant's feet, she rushed to bend down and pick it up. That seemingly normal action actually panicked the elephant, startling it and causing it to lose control. Luckily, it only stopped at a close call. This incident is a crucial reminder for all of us. Always keep a safe distance, and absolutely never bend down or pick things up on a whim when standing near large animals, even for a split second. Living in areas with free-roaming livestock always carries a lot of hidden dangers. Because of that, keeping an eye on your surroundings and avoiding actions that could provoke the animals is absolutely necessary to protect our own health and lives.
गाय पीछे पड़ गई बंद कर ले भाई गाय पीछे पड़ गई भाई गाय पीछे पड़ गई
Just imagine having to wrestle with a mountain of muscle that weighs more than a small car, and it has absolutely no intention of listening to you. Exhausting, for sure. But it is exactly that bold, reckless attitude that makes us think. Respecting wild strength does not mean surrendering to it, but rather understanding exactly when to stop. Gore versus yak, an uncompromising battle. On one side, raw strength. On the other, the instinct to survive. The result? The yak claims the victory. At the Puthiyangadi festival, held near a mosque in Kerala, southern India, an elephant suddenly charged into the crowd, injuring at least 17 people. The video of the scene shows the animal using its trunk to lift a man high up in the air, shaking him violently, and then tossing him to the ground. According to local medical sources, all the victims have now received emergency care and are being treated at the hospital. Seems like joggers run into this all the time, right? I really think carrying bear spray when going trekking is a must.
She's charging. Oh God. Oh no.
Thought it was a guest coming over, but who would have guessed it was a deer leaping right past? If someone had not stepped in right on time, the clash between those two bulls would have had unimaginable consequences. While it is unclear if they are his bulls, the car definitely took a beating. A shattered headlight and countless scratches that need to be fixed and repainted. opening the door only to face a snake right there. It is hard for anyone to keep their cool. To keep snakes from slithering into your house, you need to get rid of mice, which are their food source. Having cats or dogs is also an effective way to keep snakes away from your living space. Lately, there have been a lot of videos showing a man jumping out of his car and aggressively approaching bears, making growling and barking sounds. This behavior is extremely dangerous and could easily provoke a bear attack. Always maintain a safe distance and respect wild animals.
Take it off. There we go.
Knowing beforehand that the monkey was going to take his stuff, the guy still could not stop it. Smart, agile, and showing off those cute fangs to boot. Well, he just had to accept it and bitterly watch it steal his belongings. That I won look is written all over that monkey's face.
Ой, блядь.
This pigeon is not flying anywhere today. It just downed a whole glass of bourbon, stumbling around drunk, not even flapping its wings straight. Four guys hanging out accidentally bothered an otter, and the result was the whole group getting taught a lesson they will never forget.
I see it. It's
a fierce reminder of the fragile line between the ocean and the human world. This massive creature got lost in the waves and became the center of attention. This is definitely this girl's last time taking on the octopus eating challenge. Not because she is sick of it, but probably because the shock this time was just too much. Insect protein is the new trend. But what about you? Are you ready to challenge your taste buds with this uniquely crispy cockroach dish?
Oh, there's one in! Get out! Get out! Get out! Oh!
Whoa! Whoa! It's not... That's not even the right bet! Oh.
Remember to always keep your car windows rolled up tight, especially when driving through areas where monkeys live. They are super sneaky and unpredictable. They can reach into your car to snatch things, scratch you, or launch a surprise attack. Elephants run way faster than you might think. They can reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour. Just picture it. Weighing tons, an elephant can still sprint right on par with a dog. Hearing a strange noise, they jumped out of the car without a second thought. And then, the silhouette of an elephant appeared right in front of them. A moment so thrilling and spectacular that it left everyone holding their breath. On their migration journey, this flock of birds picked an awesome rest stop, a backyard swimming pool. Hundreds of birds covered the water, leaving the homeowner completely shocked when they discovered this unique scene.
Oh my God. Look at that thing. It's gonna kick him.
Mariah, they're not gonna eat them off of you.
Roads expand and forests retreat. The elephant's home is shrinking, forcing them to step into residential areas just to survive. Every encounter between humans and elephants is no longer a fascinating sight, but a painful reminder. When we shrink nature, we are putting ourselves face to face with risks. Development should not mean encroachment. It should be about balance. Let the elephants live in the forest and let people have peace in their own homes.
ദൈവമേ പോടാ.
A video capturing two one-horned rhinos fiercely battling it out on a public road near Chitwan National Park in Nepal has quickly gone viral on social media. However, this is actually considered great news for conservation efforts. The appearance of these rhinos is clear proof of the successful recovery of this rare species in the area. Nature is absolutely stunning, but incredibly dangerous. The footage we just saw is a wake-up call for us to always respect it and keep a safe distance. Please keep in mind that this video is strictly for educational and warning purposes. Absolutely do not imitate this or try to approach wild animals on your own for the sake of your own life. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Aw Boom channel to keep up with more shocking events. Which moment made your heart skip a beat the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.